How to fix Aliexpress account is temporarily locked. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, I suggest changing your password. Sometimes a simple password change will unlock your Aliexpress account. Another thing that I suggest doing is checking your email for instructions on how you can unlock your account. If you have not received an email, then you will go to Safari or any browser you may use and search for Contact Aliexpress Customer Service. Now from here, you will choose the option for live chat. So usually it's going to be the second one. And click on Please Choose and then Account Settings. And now you will have to choose an article here from the ones that pop up. You will select temporarily locked, and this is going to connect you to an Aliexpress representative. And then you will explain that you got locked out of your account, and they will further assist you with the issue. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.